this be the biggest move for XRP? And I'm not just talking about the price. There are further developments that are going on behind the scenes that for anyone invested should absolutely give you a sentiment of bullishness and, more importantly, what is about to come. We're going to be talking Grayscale, we're going to be talking about price action, and we're going to be talking about Gary Gensler and Brad Garlinghouse. All of that in this XRP update video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency, especially when it comes to XRP. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So I want to start here. And I want to start with the Grayscale Trust that everybody heard and was super bullish about that came out specifically related to XRP. Now we know Grayscale, they like to get a trust before everybody else. And in my view, they are absolutely front running the markets. They had obviously the Bitcoin Trust before ETFs became a thing and an Ethereum one to match. Well, the XRP one is here and it's raised nearly $700,000 in asset under management. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, which is absolutely wild. Currently trading around $11.79 for those shares. Now, just so we're clear and everyone understands exactly what this means, the asset actually is held in the trust. That doesn't mean that it's specifically given out to those people. It is a share for the trust that obviously then is linked back into XRP. But whatever you look at it, it's still very big news. And the fact that Grayscale are prepared to have it, this absolutely opens up the door for more to come. Now, the kicker here is that this is for institutional investment only at this moment in time. And this is kind of wild because it's huge and it's such a short period of time, and specifically on an asset that we still haven't officially got the settlement for XRP and Grayscale and everyone else that kind of comes into this. We're obviously still waiting for the SEC to decide that they're not going to sue or go on appeal, which feels like it's pretty much there or thereabouts, but this is a big deal. And if you think about how many days this has been available, what does this look like in a week's time? What does this look like as the market starts to move? And what does this look like when we hit 2025? And what else is there to come? Who else is going to start to look at these trusts? And I guess the long term would be, is this going to be converted into an ETF? Lots of people specifically give the fact that, well, the trusts were the catalysts for those ETFs. And don't forget, obviously, Grayscale going up against the SEC to specifically get that transferred over to an ETF. Speaking of the SEC, we are on the clock for a couple of weeks until it is officially over. The case is signed, sealed, and locked in history. And actually, we can see what happens post that decision. October the 7th is a key date in your diary that you need to have, which was the last day in which the SEC can appeal. Now, my view is, I don't think they're going to appeal. Given the fact we have a Grayscale Trust, given the fact everything else is going on, and you only have to look at what the SEC is doing right now, putting Terraform Labs out of business, suing somebody else, it kind of feels that XRP is the one they're going to leave alone. And for the record, don't forget, they've already come out and said they got it wrong in the fact that it isn't the token that's the security, it's actually the asset or the company that is offering that, and that contract that was in that is the security. So we'll keep you updated, but my view is it's all exactly what this picture depicts, which is smoke and mirrors from the SEC, and Brad just counting down the days until this all moves on. What does that mean for people? Well, we are seeing whales stockpiling XRP like we've never seen before. $183 million worth of XRP with absolutely no sell in sight. And we're seeing more and more of this, whether these are exchanges starting to stack their bags, whether these are actual investors that are looking to ensure they are best placed for when this absolutely skyrockets. And I still, as much as many people don't believe that, expect a big move from XRP. You can just feel the sentiment that's around it right now. We've seen obviously the move on the back of the Grayscale Trust, and I guess where everyone is well, why is it not $3? Why are we not pumped to oblivion? Well, how come we can be so bullish on XRP that the price action isn't moving? Well, there's a lot of things weighing it down right now, but you understand the partnerships that are going on. You understand how they have built in the meme coin sector. We build in the bear market to explode in the bull, and I actually think Ripple's been doing that for a number of years. You can more or less discredit the last 4 years of which it's been sued by the SEC as obviously going to have a stringent catalyst post that move, and I think that's what we've got to come, which is why there is still further excitement around XRP pumping to the price and Fed Now, whether this is going to be an element once the whole SEC thing is done that it gives or paves the way for significant uptrend when it comes to XRP, aligned to a Fed Now pivot. Now, just for clarity here, the Fed Now corporation has not come out and said they specifically are going to use XRP, but there is certain discussions going on, whether it's XRP or whether it's XRP FED Now, as well as many others, that actually could integrate this into their movement and allow for a further development of cross-border and global payment systems coming in. This is why people absolutely believe that we could see XRP at $1 very soon. And I've said that on many videos specifically related to XRP, that I believe $1 is well within sight in 2024. When you start getting into maybe the more ambitious prices, Levi Aritavolt here giving his view of $1,000 XRP, I'm not sure that we get to that point just yet. I think we've got a little bit of way to go, certainly for that. I think $1, then start to push to 2, 3, 5, 10. It's all relevant as we move in the market. If Bitcoin's at 60K, we're not going to be at $1,000 XRP. Let's just be dead clear about that. But the flip side, I guess, and the balance to that would be no official confirmation from Federal Reserve to plan to integrate XRP, but ongoing legal challenges are obviously impeding the ability to fully leverage opportunities presented by such as Fed Now, which is why October the 7th is such a key date, because it unlocks a massive opportunity, in my view, as to where we go with XRP. If you take a look at the price action right now, we're still well within this coiling, descending channel, forming a very interesting pattern as we talk. And we'll be specifically talking about what this pattern looks like. Now, we are, interestingly, above all the moving averages, and we want to see this kind of retest up here. I'm expecting the market to significantly move. We've been talking about the potential move on Bitcoin, and if we do, I'd expect Ripple and XRP to do the same. Now, October the 7th, if we were just to put that on the chart, and I think it's worth having on there, does obviously give us an indication of where potentially we see the market move. Lots of people are predicting a significant move on Bitcoin around the end of the month and equally into October the 9th. Well, could XRP front run that Bitcoin move? We will obviously keep you posted with what's going on, the updates, as well as the news, reviews, and much more when it comes to XRP. All you guys need to do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell on, and you are going to be updated on every single video and live stream that we do. Until then, though, let me know what you think in the comments down below of the whole SEC thing and your price prediction for XRP. I absolutely love reading your comments down there. So do me a favor, drop a comment, and as always, hit that subscribe button for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.